guys. So let's really talk about gold really quickly because it has been brought up a couple of times by students trying to understand why we're seeing such a rally in gold. If you ever traded gold, then if you're familiar with how gold moves or even other commodities, right? You will already know what will drive this thing up. So even if you aren't trading futures, you may be trading gold iShares, which is GLD, which is on the stock market. And the other gold, of course, is if you're trading futures. So the iShares track the movement of gold. Now, first thing first, how can I put this? So, okay, I just start with this. When I first really learned about how gold moved and why we may see such massive rally in gold from time to time is when there is any uncertainty in the economy, when there are talks of wars, when there are talks of recession, when we see the tension that is taking place between countries, and when the value of the dollar drops, we may see the value of gold increase. Okay. So what's been going on, y'all? We've been seeing this whole back and forth between the United States and China. We see how we have these tariffs going ever since Trump got back into office. We see how we've been seeing talks of the economy crashing, the stock market crashing, and all of this stuff that's been going on, as well as this recent Bitcoin drop that we've seen. BlackRock has been selling off Bitcoin. The Bitcoin treasuries are not buying up Bitcoin like they were, and you just have other countries in general that are dropping their Bitcoin. China selling off Bitcoin. And we've seen this massive, massive drop in Bitcoin. And what are people doing? They're fleeing to gold. And what gold act as is a safe haven of sorts for people's money. And so anytime there's any type of uncertainty in the market, they flee to gold. Anytime there's any uncertainty in the economy, they flee to gold. And what we're seeing right now with such a downturn in crypto as a whole is also pushing people to gold. So anytime everything is down, anytime a real stock market crash happens, or anytime we're just in a week or a month that everything is just on this massive, massive drawdown, the tariff wars, these tensions between the countries are ramping up, look to gold because more than likely gold is increasing. If you haven't seen, gold officially hit a $30 trillion market cap or value. And what that is, it's just why it's a big deal is because it's surpassing the value of other assets like no one's ever seen before. And so, with all of this uncertainty in the market, all of this political tension, everything that's going on, everyone is trying to find a safe haven for their cash. And that is pretty much why we are seeing such a massive gold rally right now. So we did see a pullback on Friday where it pulled back down. If we're looking at like GLD, you'll know we kind of think it was like a $10 drop. And then if you're looking at gold on the future side, you know that we did come back down. So it's either a healthy pullback or just a little downward spiral that we may be on before it pushed back up. Your job is to watch it. But I definitely wanted to put that out there for those of you who may be new to the market or you're seeing what's going on with gold, but you're not quite sure what it is. Anytime there's uncertainty or anytime you see things are red, the market is red, look to gold. And if you're not trading futures, look to trade GLD, whether you're investing or you are in options, completely up to you. But it's important that you know what is moving gold and when are the times you are likely to see it push up the most. Okay, so that's all this video was about. And with that, I will see you guys in the next one.